Hi, so starting up this project and I want to share a connection with the engineer. So he uses idea Statica, which if you're familiar with, it's a kind of an engineering program. So basically, just go to your web browser and just type in idea Statica for advanced steel. And let's click on this and it'll bring us to the home page. You can see a reference to advanced steel here. Scroll down. There's a tutorial video. The plugin for advanced steel. So here's the plugin and here's the tutorial. So click on the plugin. And then there's one for Tekla, one for Revit, and one for advanced steel. So download this one. Now you're just going to double click on this and it'll take you through the installation. So I already have this installed. It'll automatically install it on whatever versions of Advanced Steel you have. So it's installed it on 2020 and 2021 on mine. I don't, it's probably not going to update. Finish. All right. So I have it installed. So when I opened my Advanced Steel, you can see that you have a new tab up on the top. So this is the connection I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this into 2D wireframe because you have to try and pick everything. And then I'm going to click on the view. There's different viewers here for different countries. So I'll pick the AISC. Excuse the fan. My fan is kicking in on my laptop here. So it shows down here. You're looking for the connection point. So I'm just going to pick the system line of the beam. And then it's looking for the beams. So I'm going to pick the column and the beam and then right click, and then it's looking for the connecting objects, which is going to be this plate, this bolt, and all these bolts here, which come in as separate bolts on the macro, which is a little bit annoying, but it is what it is, I guess. Now I've got to come down here, select the plate, the bolts, the weld, and then down here again, the plate, the weld, the bolts. So just make sure you select everything, take your time. I could do a box around these, but it's a little tight quarters here, so I'm just going to do it this way. Right click, and you'll see it starts to generate the connection. So the engineer didn't really give me any typical connections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this, and then I can export this to him. So he can check it. He has the actual program, the idea Statica, and then he can check. Now, if you can see the features aren't there, so maybe I should have, let's see. So member one is the column, member two is the beam, then we have three plates, one there's your distances. Now I don't want this, this you can see is in millimeters, I want this to be in inches. So I have to see how to change that. So you can see all the different bolts, the welds, there's three different welds. So we've kind of got everything. I can see the plate features have not come in here, so maybe I should have selected the plate features. So I don't know if it matters. It should matter. So if we go back to the project and we can download the project here. It's showing that it's in Imperial, but that doesn't seem to be the case when I go back to the design and check the plate. It's giving me 20.6 as the diameter for that hole. Thickness is 3/4. So Let's go back and change that to metric and see that's still metric. So I have to do a little bit of playing around with it. Obviously, units down there are metric. If I switch this to imperial, it shows the units are imperial, but the design is still not right. Let me check the next one. Same thing and same thing. So for now, that will do. I can send this to him. So what I can do is I can give the project a name. 1211. And what I'll do, I'll just export it. I guess I'm going to have to look into whether I need. I believe the free version allows me to download this, but I can't open it. So what I'll do is I'll just download it as a 3D Statica file. Here it is here, showing folder, and then I'll just rename that to the project name. So project name, and then the moment connection, and then the date. So if anyone else is looking to use it, I'm going to try and use it going forward. Hope this helps. Just going to change the name and then I'll copy this to my folder for this project, which is here. Document sent. And I'll create a new folder in here for Idea Statica. And then I can send these to the engineer and he can tell me whether he likes it or not. All right, hope this helps. Thank you.